Salvation has come to Ndi. The Igbo nation has been set free. It is time to turn to light. Ndi Nkem. It's equally time to come out of darkness of yesterday.
The gods has accepted your sacrifice.
Thank the gods. Never again shall you live in the ignorance and mistakes of your forefathers. Never again shall you live in fear.
To fear man. My son cannot marry.
Calling them oh why the rejection, discrimination,
and the divine destiny. That is how some people were born Osu, Ohu, Diola, naturally.
Their friends are suffering because they rejected their brothers. Their friends lost on the home front and not in the war front. Here comes the hope of the Igbo nation.
Stop this madness, stop the system. Can you pussy Osumaka Nani Bofu? What injustice, what inequality? Can you pussy Osu, can you believe me?